Are you feeling overwhelmed by the struggles in your life? Are you wondering when the pain will end or where relief will come from? If you are dealing with hardship right now, this message is for you. Today, we'll guide you through a prayer that can bring peace and hope into your heart, no matter what you are going through. So stay with us until the end, because this prayer might just be the turning point you need. The Bible reminds us that God is our refuge in times of trouble. In Psalm 46 verse 1, it says, God is our refuge and strength and ever-present help in trouble. Even when the weight of life feels unbearable, God is there to shelter and support you. He is a constant source of strength, and no matter how deep the suffering, He will never abandon you. When we are in pain, it's easy to feel alone and question if anyone truly understands. But is Isaiah 41 verse 10 reassure us? So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Even when it seems like there is no hope left, remember that God is holding you up. His presence is with you in every struggle, and He's promised to strengthen and guide you through the hardest times. Hold on to your faith, pray constantly, and lean on God's grace. Whether you are struggling with illness, grief, or personal battles, know that God is walking beside you every step of the way. Before we begin today's prayer, I invite you to join us in daily prayers by subscribing to the channel. Let's now come together and in this moment of faith, lift our hearts to God. Dear Lord, I come before you today with a heart full of pain and confusion. My struggles have worn me down, and there are moments when I feel like I can't go on. But in the midst of my suffering, I turn to you, trusting that you see every tear, every hardship, and every cry for help. You know exactly what I need, even when I don't. I surrender all my worries, fears, and burdens onto your hand. Give me the strength to endure this difficult season, and the faith to believe that you are with me every step of the way. Lord, please comfort me, heal me, and guide me through the darkness. Surround me with your peace, so that even in my hardest moments, I may find rest in your love. Watch over my loved ones and bless them with the courage and strength to support one another through these trying times. I believe that with your grace, this storm will pass and we'll see brighter days. Amen. Friends, this prayer offers comfort and hope to anyone going through hardship, encouraging them to trust in God's presence and strength. If today's prayer brought you comfort or strength in your time of need, I encourage you to join us regularly. Here on this channel, we share daily prayers and messages of hope to guide you through life's challenges. So if you want to keep receiving uplifting content that bring peace to your heart, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any our upcoming prayer and spiritual guidance. Stay connected with us, and may God's peace and blessings always be with you.